suspect, so
Yeah.
see if he's the holder of a driver's license.
Are you the holder of a driver's license?
You want the license?
Are you a holder
When
of
I
a
saw the gun
driver's
far
license,
already,
sir?
here, violated the rights. We're not going very far. Let me just put myself in the video. Here you go. You want it?
Thank you very much, sir.
There you go. I need to see your IDs when you're all finished. Book consent.
All right. Here we go, sir. Thank you very much.
Can I see your ID, please?
Yes, you don't have a problem, sir.
All of your ID, I want to see, including you. My vehicle is done. Close the door and go inside. Can I see your IDs, please?
No, sir.
I need to see your ID.
Yeah.
I need to see your ID.
Have a good day. Thanks for your
I
time.
need to see your ID.
Lock off your corporation.
I need to see your ID, sir. And yours.
My ID is visible, sir.
Can you turn it around so I can see, please?
This is a police
The last
violation.
lawsuit I had,
I don't
they
care
want
about your
ID.
lawsuit,
Can I
sir.
see your
My ID?
Can I
is
see your
visible.
ID, please?
My ID is visible.
What's your name?
I am Constable Shanika Cooper.
Kova. Okay. All right. Noted.